Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a friend mail, as you can tell from the title, from the lovely Vicky and Andy over at Glitter Sparkle UK. She recently changed her name. So she sent me a package. So both of our addresses are on it. So literally I've just cut it open. So I'm just going to get straight into it. So let's just open this up. I don't think Vicky really wanted me to open this. Nearly there, guys, nearly there. Right, got it open. So maybe no. No, it's still not. Hang on. We're getting there, we're getting there. Oh, right, we're in. So let's have a look. So I have a card. It's very dark because of the box. I think it's the box. Don't know. Hang on. Hang on, give me 1 second. That's better. So let me just have a quick look at this. Oh, cute card. Oh, she's just saying thank you to me for something. They will be with you soon, lovely. Oh, your face masks. Okay. I don't really have face masks. I was saying to her that I don't have any. And no, I won't be doing them on camera, so don't ask me. So this is a sugar and spice one. That actually sounds really nice. And we have a shark one. Okay, that's a sheet one. Orange extract. Oh. I saw this on her channel and I said to her, oh, when you try it, let me know. Because I have really, really long hair. And like I have combination hair. So like the top half of my hair is like naturally oily and greasy. But then halfway down to my ends is very sort of dry. It's really difficult for me to like find like the right shampoos and things because I can't use oily stuff on the top half of my hair because it is just so naturally oily. It drives me insane. So like I can't put conditioner on the top half of my hair, but this will be perfect for me to try on the ends of my hair. And this is the directions. I've never seen this before. Oh, I'm gonna have to definitely try this. When I try it, I'll let you know what it's like. Wow, yeah. Oh, I'm super excited for that. Oh, I'm gonna have to try this soon. Thank you, Vicky. Wow. And we have some water decals. Oh, I love water decals. Oh, now that's pretty. I like that one. So let's have a quick squeeze at these. That's really pretty. Colours in that one. Oh, that's a nice one. That's got butterflies on it too. That's nice. Oh, look at that one. That's really nice. Some more butterflies. That's really nice. I like that one as well. See, these ones, even though they're like full cover ones, like the nail ramps, you can just cut them out and have them however you want. Oh, that's pretty. I like that one. I like the colours in that. Definitely me colours. Some more butterflies, flowers. They're pretty too. And we have some butterflies, and they are purple. My favourite. Oh, look at that one. Colours in that. Wow. Really, really nice. Oh, look at these ones. I've got more butterflies. Hang on, there's another one there. More butterflies. I do love butterflies. I really do. Oh, look at them. Oh, wow, look at that. I've never seen that before. I really like that. Oh, look at these ones. Oh, how cute are they? And them ones. Oh, look at them. Oh, they are nice. Oh, I really like them. Oh, and these ones. Oh, so many butterflies. I do. Oh, look at that. Oh, I do love butterflies. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah, they're definitely going somewhere safe. And we have, what's this? Oh. Oh, that smells lush. I wish you could smell that. I really do. That smells lush. Oh, oh, that smells so good. Thank you so much. Oh, and we have glitters and all sorts here. So we have some 3D butterflies and teddy bears. So come on. Oh wow, look at them. Oh, it's stuck. Oh wow. Look at them. They've got like little glitters in them. Can you see? Look. Oh wow, where did you get them from? Look. Oh, they are cute. I like them. They are really cute. Look at the little glitters in them. Wow. We've got some butterflies too. Oh, look at that. Oh, so pretty. Thank you so much. Wow. I wonder where you got them teddy bears from. I'm going to have to message you. And we have multicolored metallic dots. I don't have any of these. Camera is freaking out. I don't have any of these. That's a proper like disco. Reminds me of like the disco balls. Oh, very nice. And we have fairy garden. Oh, look at that. Vicky makes her own glitters, by the way, if you don't know who she is. I will link everything all down below. But look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. And we have, oh, millionaire, look at this. Tell me that ain't gorgeous. Wow, that is stunning. It's so pretty. Oh, this is definitely one of my favourite ones. I've seen this a lot. Look at that. Oh, it's just so pretty. This is going to be a very long video. And we have a mixed bag of nuggets and gold caviar beads. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. That is pretty. I wish I could pick up the proper colours in that. I really do. That is really, really pretty. Wow, and there's so many in there. And we have mixed bag of bling. So this is loads and loads of different bling. I love getting bags like this. It's like a little Aladdin's cave. Aladdin's gems. That's what it should be called. Like Aladdin's cave, like you don't know what you're going to get. But look at that. There's all sorts in that. Wow. I can't even like pick them out. There's loads. I don't have many of these pearl ones. Thank you so much. Wow. What is this now? I'm so nervous to open it. What is this? There's some top over there. Where's my scissors gone? Wow, Vicky, you've sent me so much stuff. Oh yes, I remember. This is what she's actually only meant to send me this. Naughty you are. Very naughty. But this will be for like my beads and things or whatever when I'm like using all different stuff, because as you know I get like everything out, and it'll be really good to kind of like just have them all on there, then I can just take them as I need. It's got little like leg bits on the bottom as well. That's really, really good. Thank you so much. You were only meant to send me that. Naughty. There's something else in here as well. Oh, I'm so nervous. What is this now? Vicky, you're naughty. Oh, I'm going to be messaging you. What is this? Oh. Ah, yes. Little tub. Look at that. That is going to be really handy as well. I like that. Thank you so much. I wonder what I can put in there. I wonder. And there's one more thing in here. Vicky, you are very naughty. Oh, a notebook. Now, she knows what I'm like with all my notes. I am terrible. I have like post-its and notes like everywhere. I'm so bad. Oh, just literally like I've got book after book after book of all different stuff, and I'm always running out of stuff. So thank you so much. This is going to come in really, really handy. Thank you so much. I can't believe how much stuff you sent me. You're so naughty. You really are naughty. Can't wait to try that. That's got to stay out, most definitely. Vicky, you're so naughty. Really are naughty. And as I said, Vicky does have a website. So I will link it down below. Go over and check it out. Because obviously Vicky does her own glitter mixes. There's all sorts of different stuff over there. There's stickers, obviously glitters, all sorts of different stuff over there. You really need to go and check it out. I think she does have a discount code. I know Faye has one, not a beauty queen. I know she has one. Yeah, you definitely need to go and check out the website. If I remember, I will put it on the screen, and I will link her YouTube channel as well, and her Instagram. I know she does have I know she has TikTok as well. Yes, she does have TikTok as well. I remember her telling me. Yeah, so what I'll do is I will link as much as I can, and I'm sure Vicky will be floating around in the comments anyway. So yeah, if you want anything specific or you want to ask her any questions, just ping her a message and she'll sort it out. I can't believe how much stuff you sent me. Wow. This is crazy. This is way too much. You're only meant to send me one thing. You're bad. Right. Well, thank you so much. Thank you, Vicky, and thank you, Andy. And hello, boys. Hope you're all doing well. She's got little boys, and they are like, well, I say they're little. Yeah, they're lovely. They really are lovely. But yeah, thank you so much. Wow, I'm just a bit overwhelmed. I don't know what to say. Wow, thank you so much. Wow. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm a bit gobsmacked, really. I was expecting one thing, and I've got like a whole load of stuff. Well, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and thank you once again, Vicky and Andy. This is really lovely. Thank you so much, and I shall give you a message to tell you off for sending me all of this, which you shouldn't have done, but thank you. And yep, everybody, if you're not subscribed to Vicky, I will link her channel down below, and I'm sure she'll be in the comments anyway. And I will link the website address as well, so you can go and check out the website as well. And yeah, thank you everybody for watching today. Oh, and Vicky does have a Christmas giveaway. Another reason to head on over there as well to enter that. Lots of goodies. So yes, thank you everybody for watching today, and thank you once again, Vicky and Andy. I really appreciate all this stuff. And yeah, I will try this and let you know how the ponytail one goes. Thank you everybody for joining me today and watching. If you're not subscribed to me, please subscribe. Don't forget, head over to Vicky and Andy's channel. And yeah, okay, I will see you next time. Thank you everybody for watching today. Until next time, take care. Bye.